Try A and B in the following reaction. Here alkyne given 1 butane, but 1 ine. Addition of hydrogen takes place indirectly. Towards A, this is HBO method, hydroboration oxidation method. Towards B, again hydration, but acid catalyzed hydration. Towards B, addition of water molecule according to Markovnikov's rule. H, OH, both are added after breaking CC pi bond according to Markovnikov's rule. During the formation of A, H and OH both are attached opposite to Markovnikov's rule, so we can say as it is anti-Markovnikov's rule. So very simple. After the addition of H and OH, we can get unstable enol forms. Immediately they undergo tautomerization to give carbonyl compounds. So let us take towards A. In Cr2BH, Ca stands for secondary isoamyl. Secondary isoamyl. To avoid the complexity, instead of BH3, scientists they started taking Cr twice BH. This is the most useful reagent for the hydroboration. H coming from Cr2BH according to opposite to Markovnikov's rule. So that will go to the triply bonded carbon of less number of hydrogens preferably. Then H2O2 supplies OH. That OH group migrated to carbon of triply bonded carbon of more number of hydrogens. Then we can get enol form CH3, CH2, CH double bond CHOH. Since this is enol form being unstable, immediately it undergoes tautomerization due to migration of hydrogen from oxygen to vinylic carbon. CC double bond is shifted from CC to CO. This process is called tautomerization, conversion of enol form into keto form. So we can get CH2 at second carbon, single bond CH, C double bond O, butanol. So A is nothing but butanol. This is butanol. Coming to B, addition of H and OH occurs according to Markovnikov's rule. So H is going to the triply bonded carbon of more number of hydrogens. Here more number means one hydrogen. OH prefers to go to carbon with less number of hydrogens. So encyclic form towards the formation of B, I am writing here CH3, CH2, C takes OH, double bond remains present, CH2. This is enol form, highly unstable. So enol form undergoes tautomerization. During the tautomerization, what happens? H is migrated from oxygen to carbon, and CC double bond is shifted from CC to CO. Then the product CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3, butanone, butane 2-one, no need to mention 2 here, that is understood, butanone. So B is butanone. So there is a difference. In both the reactions we are adding H2O only indirectly, but the products are different.